Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name, then choose Family Sharing so purchases can be shared. Make sure the Apple ID you use is the organizer because that account controls payment and purchase sharing. Once done, confirm a valid payment method and that all members have iCloud enabled. Add people by tapping Add Member and sending an invitation. If a child needs an account, create one here. This step sets permissions and billing, which is why it's essential to get right before moving on. Next, you enable purchase sharing within Family Sharing. Go to Purchase Sharing and turn it on so purchases flow to family members. You must explicitly select Share My Purchases and confirm the organizer's payment method will be billed for shared purchases. Make sure to review what is shared: apps, music, books, and subscriptions, because some items or in-app purchases may not be eligible. If you want kids to ask before buying, enable Ask to Buy for their accounts. Once these settings are set, family members can access shared purchases. Finally, you access shared content by opening the App Store and tapping Purchase to see family purchases. Choose a family member to view their list. If an app or subscription doesn't appear, make sure each person is signed into the correct Apple ID and that purchase sharing is active. If something still fails, sign out of the App Store and iCloud, then sign back in and verify the organizer's payment method is valid. Troubleshooting tip: enable Ask to Buy temporarily to confirm purchase. Requests route correctly when debugging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.